Super old, huh?
Yeah. Maybe like the 20s or early 30s. Oh yeah, those are cool. Oh, it's got wooden spokes. Oh. Oh, it keeps going. A lot of bat poop. Ooh.
Bye, Joey.
And we're parting ways.
Parting ways. Hopefully we made it somewhere.
I'm headed to the expert trails that way.
I'm taking landmine loop.
Mama's
I'm
taking.
walking my bike down this hill.
She's taking the flat way.
Yeah, look at the flat way.
I'm taking the mountain way.
Mama's walking down this big hill. I could probably do it, but
The flat way looks fun too.
I mean, I tried to, but then you get a bunch of rocks.
Okay, see him. See you in a little bit.
Oh,
I missed the expert trail, even though there's a marker. It does not look like there's a trail there. But I guess it's a trail. The Black Velvet Diamond Trail, or Black Velvet Expert Trail, is kind of hard to follow. It hardly looks like a trail at all. I'm out here by myself, so if I make a wrong turn, well, I got a map, so as long as I have service, I can pull up the map and figure out where I'm at. There's no other trails that veer off this one, so it shouldn't be a problem. But it's tight. I got a cactus to the knee coming down one of the hills around a corner. Imagine this rock tumbling down the hill. It's crazy. It's no joke out here. It's a big ass rock. Yeah, I mean, this is the trail. Look at the sheer nothingness of it. Like, you gotta really look around to figure out which way you're going. So probably not that way. It just all looks the same. Hardly looks like a trail. This is dope. So we just got all these cacti on the edge of the trail. I'm just getting pricked everywhere. And another thing is I haven't seen one other person on this trail. When I've been on the loops and stuff, there's mad people. Not mad people, but I mean you're passing people kind of frequently. Over here, man, I haven't seen nobody. Those are some big ones. I see 3 of them. This is the same spot where I saw them last time. See, there's the old car. There's the wild donkeys.
Left-hand side, we can kind of all have our eyes adjusted here. I'm going to have you stop right there. So everyone can kind of look down the entrance.
I've been in here.
Oh, I have too.
Do you think?
I guess you've never seen slopes that are like lit up. You talk about, they took all the quartz out. I mean, all the way down there.
Yes, that was what they did in the other year.
Yep, I'm going to have you stand right here on my trap doors.
Are you gonna tell us if y'all drilled that or if that's natural, right?
That's not natural. There's nothing natural about a mine. Caverns are natural. Mines are man-made. All that was done. This was here. It's almost like a U. So you go up here, walk this way, and there's a big horseshoe over here that you never look at. And one maybe goes this way, one maybe goes this way. If you climb up this one and eventually get a little bit higher, there'll be a 14-foot ladder that takes you up, so we can actually walk all the way. See the drifts coming. We're dead end tunnels, but this is kind of a lot of what we had to deal with and clean. We used wheelbarrows.
And then the repercussion of the black before they closed for the park, and that was just amazing.
Comfy place to be on top of a mountain. That little dot down there is Mom.
Yeah.
Blue legs Jordan. Try not to kill myself.
Well, I thought that was the way down.
You guys can stay down there. I'll stay up here. Oh shit! That hurt my back and my knees. Hi, family.
Oh, there he is. There's my son, half Billy goat.
Woo!
Hey, Billy.
Yeehaw! William.
Hello, William.
Come and look at me.
Cave mama.
Make sure there's no snake.
The only snake I see is you.
Look at him, the snake. Oh, look, you even got candle holders in here.
Yeah.
You can put your candles in there.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Just missed a bunny running down the hill with these big ass ears. It was goofy looking. Man, I'm not used to seeing bunnies like that. Looked like it had donkey ears. This is probably his home. I went on top of that rock. I went on top of that rock. Let's go on top of this one. There's Jordan walking back to the car. City boy!